if you're choosing a social media scheduler. Two of the most popular options are Buffer and Later. Both help you plan, schedule, and manage content, but they're built for very different workflows. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Buffer is all about simplicity and flexibility. It lets you schedule posts across multiple platforms like Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and more, all from one clean dashboard. It also has a generous free plan and very affordable pricing, making it great for beginners and small teams. The biggest advantages are ease of use, support for many platforms, and flexible pricing based on channels instead of bundles. However, it's not as strong when it comes to visual planning, and it lacks features like influencer marketing or advanced social listening. Later, on the other hand, is built specifically for visual content. It started as an Instagram scheduler, and that still shows in its design. You get a drag-and-drop visual calendar, media library, and tools like hashtag suggestions and link in bio features. It's perfect for planning aesthetic feeds and visual campaigns. The downside is that it can get more expensive due to its social set pricing model, and it's less flexible if you manage multiple accounts on the same platform. So, which one is better? Choose Buffer if you want a simple, affordable tool that works across many platforms. Choose Later if your content is highly visual and you want better planning for Instagram or TikTok. Bottom line, Buffer is better for simplicity and flexibility, while Later is better for visual content and planning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.